YouTube, it's your boy OMB Glitchy here, back with a quick video, man. I'm about to just show you guys the location for the retro Runway fridge key on our DMZ Al Mazrah map. First thing first, man, before we even get into the video, man, go ahead and smack that subscribe button, feel me? Go ahead, drop a like, feel me? Appreciate everything from you guys so far. Without further ado, you want to come to the Al Mazrah airport. This run script right here for the airport, or for the helicopter, the airplanes, whatnot. This little crater right here is gonna have a fridge in there for the key. Gonna let my friend do the honors, man. Pretty simple, fine. Not much in here really, but appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, go ahead and smack that subscribe button. Go ahead and smack that like button for me as well. Your boy OMB Glitchy out.